check out what I was given. Boom! Look at this big mamma jamma battery. Now this is a DeWalt replacement battery, but it does two different things. It'll do 20 volt and it'll do 60 volt. Now if you look at the side of this thing and everything, it has everything that you need. Shows the lights right there that shows that it's powered up. But on the bottom it tells you if you're using 20 volts, it'll do 15 amps an hour, and at 60 volt you can do 5 amp an hour. And that is pretty good, because guess what? When you're out painting, the last thing you want to do is take a little battery off, put another one on, because now all you got to do is put it on, turn it on, and I can run a lot longer time than what I could with a smaller battery. It uses the same DeWalt charger as a 60 volt or a 20 volt. So if you are in need of a great big battery, whether it's for 60 or 20, get you one of these.